I have big news. This is something that every aspiring Amazon seller needs to hear. If you've been dreaming of starting your own Amazon FBA business, this announcement is for you. For the next 6 months, I will be bringing you a completely free Amazon FBA course right here on this channel. There will be 6 modules, each covering a key topic in your Amazon FBA journey. Each lesson will come with a tutorial on the topic that we're covering, followed by clear action steps so that you can take what you just learned and apply it directly and immediately to your business. The best part is if you follow these action steps, this course will pace you perfectly to launch your first Amazon product at the end of 6 months. So this isn't just theory, it's practical, actionable, and designed to get you results. In January, I'll show you how to find profitable products. By February, we'll focus on sourcing and logistics. And in March, we'll focus on building and optimizing those Amazon listings and so much more. This course is perfect for complete beginners. No prior knowledge of e-commerce or Amazon is required. Come as you are and we'll start from scratch covering everything step by step. By the end of the course, we'll be diving into more advanced tactics that will really help you to scale and succeed on Amazon. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss a single video. Whether you're looking to make money on Amazon in 2025 or just to learn a new skill, this course is perfect for you. It might just be the start to your journey towards financial freedom. Let's make 2025 the year that you start and grow your Amazon FBA business. Let's get started.